Hello guys, I'm Shaima. In this tutorial video, we are going to do a floating bed frame. Okay, something like this. We are going to use system cabinet. So you guys can go to customize system cabinet. So here I've dragged a few bed frame. Okay. This bed frame you can get from System Cabinet Library. So on the left side, we have three categories: Design Library, 4.0 System Cabinet, and Expert Database. Usually for bed frame and the bed screen, okay, you can get from 4.0 System and Expert Database. Okay, so I will go with 4.0, and then the first button here, you can change to bed. So the second button, this is all the subcategory. Okay, we have bed screen, which is the head. Okay, and then the box bed, which is the frame. Okay, you can see there's a few frame with drawer inside where you can open it. If you press O button on your keyboard, the drawer will open. Press O again to close the drawer. Okay, then the mattress, this mattress you can just drag from library. Okay, you can return and go to cloud library. Alright. So there's a few options you can get, and you can also go to expert database. There's more option here. So you can see the headrest panel here, the corner is round. Okay, it's rounded shape. This one you can get from slat bed. Second button, you can go to bed screen. Okay, there's others option lah. This one you can get from here. Alright, now let's design our floating bed frame. So I will rotate to this wall over here. Okay, so you can go to 4.0 System Cabinet. First button, you can go to bed. You can drag the first model, this one. Okay, drag out. Actually, you can delete the cushion. Okay, if you want empty panel, just press B button. Select the cushion and then delete. Okay, press delete button on your keyboard. Alright, then press escape to exit. Select this panel again. You can adjust the size in here. Okay, so I will adjust the width 3400. Enter. And then the height, I will adjust it 1002. Then you can snap it to the corner. Okay, or you can just change this number to 0. Enter. So we auto snap to the corner. Okay, to the end wall. So it is easier to drag a new carcass and adjust the position. Okay, then you can drag the bed frame. So this one I will go with expert database. Okay, first button you can go to slat bed. I will use the first model, turnover test. Okay, this one. Just drag to the wall. To adjust the position, you can open up any calculator. Okay, so since this panel is 3400, you can minus the bed frame length. Okay, this one, I will make it around 1008. Okay, so I have remaining 1600. Okay, so this one I will divide by 2. It will be 800. Okay, so this 800 is actually for our drawer, left and right side drawer. Okay, so from this corner, I will adjust 800. Okay, later I will drag 800 mm drawer here. Alright, so this one I will adjust the width 1800. Okay, so that's how you adjust the size and the position manually. Okay, so now we will adjust the bed frame size. Okay, this one you can select and adjust the height a bit. This one I will reduce to 300 mm. Okay, then to adjust the top panel, you can see there's 2 layers, first layer and second layer panel. This one you can go to special parameter. Then you can go to more parameter. There's more setting here. Click. Then you can adjust baffle height. Okay, baffle height is the first layer. Alright, this one I will adjust it 200 mm. Okay, increase the height 200. Then you can close it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then to adjust the bottom layer, okay, the second panel down here, you can press B button. Okay, press B button on your keyboard. This one I will go down, go to the bottom view, okay, and rotate so I can see the bottom panel. Okay, I will delete the unwanted panel down here. This one you can select and press delete button. Just delete everything, only left the outer frame. Okay, then this one I will move inward. Okay, all the corners here I will move inward. Okay, this one you can select and you can move forward. So here you need to go to movement. Okay, you can see got size, movement and rotate category here. You can go to movement. Okay, to move forward you can plus. So I will move forward 100 mm, enter. Same thing with the front panel. This one I will move backward. Okay, so this one you need to go to Y axis. Okay, X move left and right, Y axis move forward and backward. To move backward, you need to put negative value. So here you need to minus 100, enter. Okay, so I will minus 100 mm backward. Then do the same thing to the right panel. This one I will move to the left. Okay, again, to move left and right, you must go with X axis here. Okay, so since we are going to move to the left side, you need to put negative value. So you can minus 100. Okay, remember, if you plus, it will move to the right. Okay, if you minus, it will move to the left. That's how you move the panel. Alright, now you can see the corner is overlapping. To adjust it, you can go to this icon. Okay, go to your top ribbon here. Okay, you can see got extend. Click this button, select the panel, and you will see these 4 arrows. You can select this arrow for this side. Then you can enter the number here. So just now I move 100. So here also I will minus 100. Reduce the size by 100. Okay, same thing with this panel. Okay, select the left side arrow. This one also I will minus 100. Okay, and then the right side also you can click the arrow and minus 100. Enter. Okay, do the same thing to the right side panel. Okay, select the front arrow and minus 100. Enter. Then you can press escape to exit. Okay, so if I move up, you can see the panel is inward. All the panel is inward and the corner is not overlapping. Alright. So from top view, you can see the bed frame is like floating. Done for the bed frame. Now let's do the drawer for the left and right side. So this one, I will do something like this. Okay, it's like a floating drawer as well, which attached to the back panel. Alright, this one you can go to design library. I will use the basic drawer. So first button remain as basic cabinet. Second button you can change to wall mounted cabinet. Okay, wall mounted cabinet. You can see there's a few drawer you can use. Okay, simple shape like this one. There's an open drawer as well like this one. Okay, but I will be using a curved drawer. This one, arc-shaped drawer. Okay, this one you can just drag here. Then you can adjust the size first. Okay, remember the gap here is 800, so you can adjust the left side with 800. Enter. Then you can adjust the elevation. Remember, elevation is the height from the floor. So our bed frame height is 300. Okay, 300 minus the drawer height is 180. I have remaining 120. So you can adjust the elevation here, 120. Enter. Okay. Then do the same thing to the right side. This one you can change the second option. It will change to right corner drawer wall. Okay, drag to the right. and adjust the sizing, right side, okay, 800, elevation 120, enter. Then I will delete this drawer, okay, I will reinstall a new drawer inside. To delete the panel here, you can press B button. Okay, press B button on your keyboard, select the panel in the middle and delete. Do the same thing to the right side, delete the drawer and delete the middle panel. Okay, then press escape to exit. Then you can go to this plus button on the top ribbon. Okay, this is the install button. You can install drawer. Okay, select the inside space and you can select the drawer type. There's a library will pop out. You can just double click on any drawer. Okay, I have already selected my drawer. Then here you can adjust the door installation type, whether you want to install overlay or inset. Okay, so then just click confirm. Okay, I will install another drawer here, but this one I will install inset drawer just to show you the difference. Okay, and then just click confirm. So this is inset drawer. It will install inside the frame. Okay, this is overlay. It will install outside the frame. Once done, you can click exit installation. Then for the curved side, you can go back to this install button, then go to curved door. Okay, curved door. Select this side. Okay, and then you just click confirm. Okay, yes, it will overlap a bit. I will teach you how to adjust. You can escape the installation first. Okay, so here you can select either the curved door or the drawer. Okay, if you select the curved door, this one you can adjust the right side. This one you can go to half overlay. Or you can go inset. See, it reduced the overlapping part. If still overlapping, you can select the drawer. And this one you can go to left cover. You can go to half overlay, click confirm. So it will leave a small gap, okay, between the door. Then you can see the curved door is slightly shorter than the drawer height. Okay, so you can adjust the height in here. Extend the upper part. Okay, extend the upper part. This one I will increase about 10 mm. Okay, or maybe 8 mm. So now you can see the height is aligned. Alright. You can do the same thing to the right side. This one you can install the curved door. Again, go to this install button, curved door, select the curved side, and you can install the door. But you can see it highlight the whole space, including the drawer side. So to avoid it from overlapping, this one you can exit first. Select the drawer. This one you can change to overlay first. Okay, and then click confirm. Make it overlay. Then you can install back the curved door. So this time it will select this part only. Okay, then you can click confirm. Then you can exit the installation. Select the drawer. This one you can change back to inset. Confirm. Okay, same thing with the curved door. You can also change the panel type to inset. So it will install inward. Okay, so there's a difference. This is inset, this is overlay. Then you can try change the whole carcass color. You can just right click on the wall, all material, carcass material. Okay, to change the door, you can right click on the wall, all materials, door material. Okay, so this is example. Then before you drag the mattress, you can try group the whole bed frame together with the panel and the drawer. So you hold Control button, highlight everything, and you can press Control G. Control G. Then you can rename the combination. This one, floating bed frame. Okay, then you can click favorite. You can save inside your own category. You can add a new category, or you can add inside not classified. Okay, to double check whether you already saved your item or not, you can go to your favorite folder on the left side. Okay, you can check in here. Okay, I already saved down here. So you can use the same bed frame in your other project. Okay, since you already grouped this bed frame, you can move the whole thing in one piece like this. You can easily move it to the center. Okay, then you can click return, go to cloud library. You can type mattress in here. You can drag any mattress from here. You can see there's a few set with pillows and blanket. Okay, you just drag and drop. Okay, you can adjust the position, rotate, and maybe you can resize it. Size the length 2000. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Then you can fill in with other decoration. Okay, you can just go to decoration. You can add desk lamp. Okay, you can add other things such as ornaments, okay, books and magazine. Okay, just drag and drop only. Okay, one more thing, you can also change the color using Cloud Library. Okay, you can go to finishing. So here I will go with general material library. You can go to solid wood or double facing material. This one is also wooden texture. You can just drag and drop. Okay, you can see it changes color. So this is how it looks like after I change the color. Okay, I hope you guys learned something watching this tutorial video. Good luck in designing the floating bed frame. So don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.